This is how you turn your old laptop into a server. First, you want to have Ubuntu server. When you have this, when you have Ubuntu server, you want to type in the prompt that I also have in the description, and that will install Casa OS. This is how it installs. Once it installs, you're gonna see the IP address on there. Go to another laptop, tablet, or phone, and type the IP address exactly as you see it. It'll prompt you to make an admin account. Once you make your account, go to the App Store, install Image. Make sure you install the right one, this one that you see on my screen. Then open Image. You'll see it'll prompt you to make an admin account. Then you're going to go to GitHub. I have the link to this in my description. And you're going to click on Releases and install the one that matches the laptop you're currently using. While that's downloading, go to Google Takeout and click Deselect All and only have Google Photos selected. Put the file size on max and wait until you get the link. It might take like 3 hours. It usually doesn't. It could possibly take days, but I've never had it take that long. Once you have that, make a folder with all three of them. Right click on the empty white space below and click Open in Terminal. Then look at the code in the description and paste that in. Just make sure you fill in the parts you need to fill in. Let the program run, and you'll have all your old Google Photos, images, and image. Next is time to clean your server or laptop. You're gonna want to unscrew all the screws, and then disconnect the battery, unscrew the fan, disconnect the fan, clean the fan with compressed air or isopropyl alcohol.